And we're back. After a year off from the sailing life, we have returned to the water
And we're sailing.
with bigger ambitions than ever.
How good is this?
This week we sailed through Isabelle's home, the Swedish archipelago,
So this is the best place in Sweden.
on a 26-foot IF sailboat.
I'm a little bit emotional right now.
This is almost Merewether speed, this is.
Be sure to stick around until the end to hear of the massive adventure we have planned on the horizon.
We have some big news.
Massive news.
Huge news.
Yeah.
Ready, baby, let's do it.
It is very, very exciting.
So why you bother? This is not
Isabelle, would you
Shall
like
I
to
break it?
unveil the news?
So stoked to be back, guys.
G'day guys.
Well, hello.
It's been a minute.
Been a few minutes.
Where are we?
We are currently in Sweden, the archipelago of Sweden.
Today we are taking out a little sailboat that my parents just purchased. My family's little sailboat. It's called the Månstråle, translate into moonshine. They heard us wanting to sail when we're here in the archipelago. And they're like, oh yeah, we'll research that and try to find a sailboat for you. They purchased it for the family, and today we're going to take it out for the first time and bring it back here to the country house.
Månstråle.
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 Yeah.
It translates into moonshine, right?
Moonshine, yeah.
Moonshine. There you go. We're not smugglers, I swear. Happy days.
So what is this beautiful place we are located in right now?
So this is the best place in Sweden,
Wow, that's a big call.
right? This is my parents' country house just outside Stockholm, in the Stockholm archipelago.
Just explain the country house to people that maybe aren't from a huge island nation like Sweden.
Stockholm has like 40,000 islands all around. So we are on one of them right now, and we have to actually take a boat to get to the mainland. So, there's actually something that we haven't told you, and possibly the reason why we started filming again. It is very, very exciting, and I'm just gonna hint about it right now. I'm just gonna tease you a tiny bit, but we have massive news, really big news, and we will tell you about it shortly. So, yeah, stay tuned, guys. So here she is. She's called Månstråle, which we just said it's like moonshine or moonbeam. She's from 1972, and the brand is IF or IF, and she is 26 feet, and she's beautiful. We're actually just now like learning how to set her up and everything. We're looking for the head sail right now. I'm very excited. This is kind of a place where I grew up as a child, spending every summer in the archipelago. Very special, going out on a sailboat and introducing it to Kieran as well, to sail it, and yeah, to show you guys as well. So it's gonna be a lot of fun.
Beautiful. Darling, your sail, it's so heavy. I need all your help, you know? I need everything you got.
You're so strong.
Tough work, a big boat.
And we're reversing out of here. There's a full keel on this boat, so it's quite hard to turn. But Kieran's doing a beautiful job. You can sense a bit of wind on here, and it's so exciting. So we prepared the sails as well, because we don't really know how they work or how they operate. So we just wanted to make it simple for ourselves to put it up.
let's get the mainsail up, shall we? We're sailing. Okay, there's one sail up. Okay, so now we have our first little sail up. How good is this? I pulled it up by hand. I didn't even use the winch. Apparently we have a super genoa. So we're hoping that gives us a bit of speed in these light conditions. What do you think?
This is incredible.
It's lovely, isn't it? You check the charts. There's no rocks I should be concerned.
No, you're right.
Okay. Stay in the middle of the channel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Head sail?
Head sail, let's do it. You ready to power up, baby?
I'm ready. 4 knots, baby!
How about this? Oh, this is such a great idea.
Oh, this is awesome.
Oh, your parents are absolute legends. Thank you, Bjorn and Siv, for this amazing experience.
This is awesome. The wind just shifted a little bit though. Oh, here we go. Oh, just thinking about it.
There's a bit more wind up here.
If we have to sail towards the right to pick up the wind, we've actually been met in the head with a bit of wind, so we're just puttering along to get out of this channel, and hopefully once we get out of this channel a bit we can start picking up probably a wind 30-40 degrees, so it's going to be close to like flirting with a line of not being able to sail, but I mean it's just such a lovely day and the wind's just a nice little breeze. Oh, these days.
I'm a little bit emotional right now. I asked you to film me. I don't know, we've sailed around many different countries in the world, but this is something very, very special to me. This is where I grew up and it is just, yeah, it's just incredible. I've never sailed like this here. With all of our experience and bringing you here, it means a lot to me. Yeah, getting a little emotional. I think we gotta make another tack. We can't make this one. Okay, I'm putting my glasses back on.
Ready, baby, let's do it.
That's how it's done.
That is how it is done. I'm a bit of a novice when it comes to these winches which we have. I've knotted up the rope at least twice already, and we've only been out here for about, what, half an hour? So I'm used to winches from Merewether where they're all self-furling and it's very hard to get them knotted up, but these are a little bit old school. This boat's from the 70s. Hey. 5.3, 5.4. We are speeding on 5.5. This is almost Merewether speed, this is. So we're just coming into, I guess, Isabelle's parents' island. Well, not all their island, but that's where their house is, and we're traversing through all the little waterways to get to their pier. and it's a really protected little spot. We've been swimming it the last couple of days and it's just lovely. This sail has been fantastic. We had wind at the start, but towards the last hour or two we've been motoring quite a bit, unfortunately, but when we did have wind it was just spectacular. Oh, and the boat performed.
It went beautifully.
Yeah, it went absolutely stunning.
And it was a beautiful day.
We got 5.6 knots
Yeah.
on a 28-foot boat. Flew.
Yeah.
Absolutely flew.
Yeah.
This is Isabelle's parents' island, and we're just snaking our way in between this island and this island. We're just snaking our way in, curve around to the left, and we'll tuck in nicely. If you see this little thing right here, that is a Swedish sauna.
The Swedes absolutely love sitting in their sauna by the ocean and sweating it out, jumping into that ocean in freezing cold temperatures, and then getting back in the sauna. It's a tradition actually they do, I think. I've only did it once, the last time I was here, which was 4 years ago. Can you believe? Isabelle and I have been together, sailing the world for 4 years.
So why you bother? This is nothing you can run from.
And we're
that?
all packed up. What a little adventure we've just had.
Månstråle is home.
How do you say it again?
Månstråle.
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 Moonshine.
That one.
Moonshine is home.
That was amazing. Would have loved a little bit more wind, but it was a beautiful day.
We got to 5.6 knots and I am extremely happy with
I
that.
did.
Only for a short while, but you know, part of the fun. We'll look out on the horizon for better wind and probably go
Take her
out
out
again.
again.
Yeah, we're here for another 3 weeks, 3.5 weeks. So very much looking forward to discovering more of Sweden's archipelago. G'day guys!
Hi.
You've been watching this episode today and we hinted at the start that we have some big news.
Massive news.
Huge news.
Yeah.
So we've started filming again, mainly because of this news. Isabelle, would you like
Shall I break it to them?
unveil the news?
So, we have actually purchased a new boat. A new sailing vessel.
A second-hand new sailing vessel.
Yes,
You
yes. Merewether 2.
Merewether 2.0. So this particular vessel is an Isabelle Supermarmaru. Those of you who are avid YouTube fans, it is basically the Delos boat. Yeah. And we are so excited to get our hands on this thing.
It's actually a tiny bit bigger than Merewether
It's like
first.
52 or 53 feet.
Yeah.
I have to figure that out.
Yeah.
It is in horrible condition right now.
Yes.
We managed to pick the boat up quite cheap because it actually got hit by a ship.
A cargo ship.
Yes.
It was a massive hit, and we'll explain more about that to you guys later. But it's in not in great nick right now.
No.
So we need to fix her up.
Some of the major, can I go into the major problems?
Yeah.
Some of the major issues is we have a mast that is split in two. It's completely in two.
The main mast, pretty
The main
much.
mast,
Yeah,
which is the most expensive, of course.
Yes.
Wouldn't be the mizzen, you know.
No.
We have major intrusions in the deck, and we also have a bent rudder that is leaking water as we speak. So it's a little bit scary being on the other side of the world while your boat is leaking water.
Yep.
But we've left it in good hands for the moment, and we're heading back there very soon, aren't we?
Very soon. So there might be 1 or 2 more episodes from Stockholm and the archipelago here. And then, yeah, we're gonna jump on this big adventure and take you guys along. And yeah, I am super stoked.
So excited.
Yeah.
So excited.
Yeah.
This is a huge challenge, even for us. Like,
Oh, yeah.
we've sailed a boat around the world, but we've never fixed one up from scratch. So I'm really kind of looking forward to it. It's going to be a learning curve for
It
me.
is such a beautiful boat. I mean, yeah, it is stunning.
And where are we sailing as well? Well, where are we repairing the vessel and then sailing?
Well, currently it's in Malaysia, so we're gonna fix her up in Malaysia, and yeah, sailing around there in Indonesia, and then someone wanted to go to the Mentawai Islands near Sumatra.
Absolute surfing paradise around in Indonesia. So
Yeah.
I'm very much looking
Beautiful
forward to
gem
spending maybe 6-12 months there, just chilling out.
Yeah, but first we gotta repair the boat and make sure that we have a mast and the boat's not leaking or anything like that.
Yeah.
So, you know, so stay tuned, guys.
Stay tuned.
I hope you enjoy it as much as we hopefully will.
Oh, and if you like this certain swagger I've got going on over here, there is a link in the description below if Isabelle does her job right. And you can pick yourselves up one of these bad boys.
Do you want to turn for them?
Oh, yeah, I'll do the... Oh, look at that.
We'll give you more information about that later on. But
that
someone
looks
wanted
good.
to do another little tease for you.
That looks really good.
We're super excited. I hope you guys are as well. And please send us emails, comments, like, subscribe, all of the above. We've really missed doing this, really missed you guys, and so keen on doing it again.
Yes. See you soon.